Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy. I'm back for another video, and for today's video we're going to do another unboxing. Yes, unboxing from Macy's. I think this is the third bag that I ordered from Macy's. They're having sale on their Coach bags, and then there's a coupon code like that you will get a 30% extra discount. So I purchased 3 items, and this is a third bag that I'm going to do unboxing. So if you want to see what's inside this box, please keep on watching. But before we start, welcome. I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos, sometimes first impression review videos, and once in a while I do upload vlog videos. If you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing, and for all who already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. Now, let's proceed to our unboxing. I just have one item in here. I think it's a small bag. Ah, look at that. That's my receipt, and look at the bag. Oh yeah, it's small. It is a small bag. I can see wrapping on the shoulder strap, but other than that, there's no other wrapping. But let's take a look at this bag. Maybe this is a return. Seems like it is. Not sure, but let's go ahead and remove that plastic. And that's my receipt. Ooh, it has dents and scratch marks on the bag. I don't know if you can see it. You can see marks on there and here, and then a dent from here. I can see scratch marks already, but the color is nice. It feels like it's Glovetanned leather that they use for this bag. Let's remove the packaging for the shoulder strap. I was just browsing Macy's when I found this. I was like, okay, there's discount code, and maybe it's applicable for Coach, and true enough, their coupon codes are good for Coach bags. I think this one is already on sale, and then extra 30% off is a good deal for me, so I grabbed this. And I've heard good stuff, like good reviews on this particular design. Like people who buy this, they like it. Is a swinger chain. Oh, now I remember why I ordered this one. Yes. So this is the Glovetanned leather swinger chain in the color wine. Now I remember why I chose to order this one, because I've seen other swinger bags and like on the Facebook group that they like it, but this particular one made me order because of the extra chain that it comes with the bag. Yeah, I think that's the reason. So yes, this is the chain. It's wrapped really well. There you go. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. That's the first I've seen for a chain strap. So we'll go over the chain strap, and then let me remove the packaging inside. It comes with a dust bag. So maybe this is part of the 1941 collection. I'm not sure. I thought they already discontinued making 1941 collection bags, but I'm not really sure about that. I've seen like original bags. Oh, maybe this is part of the originals, the Coach originals. Because I know the materials that they use for the Coach originals are Glovetanned leather, and the inner lining are the 1941 canvas. Let's do a 360 look at this bag. So this is the front. It has this leather piece for opening the bag, but then you can put it at the front like so to secure the bag, like to lock it like that. And then so your bag is secured when you are traveling. That's nice. So this is the side. It comes with the Coach. Oh, this is probably Coach original because the hang tag looks like the Coach original hang tag. And this is the back. The other side, it doesn't have any slip pocket outside, and the bottom says Glovetanned leather. So this is in the color wine or Bordeaux, but there are scratch marks and dents, so hopefully it will go away if I decide to keep this bag. It looks nice. Oh, that's a big scratch. Look at that. Like the leather was, where is that? This part. See? I don't know if you can see it, but it's a big, like a deep scratch on the leather. This one has brass hardware, and let's take a look at the inside of the bag. The inside of the bag has that 1941 canvas, but there's no pocket. No pockets inside. This is a long shoulder strap that can be used as a crossbody. It has 5 adjustments with grommets. And let's look at the chain strap. That's the reason why I bought this bag, because of the chain strap. Because it's big. Like, you know, the beat bag, they have similar chain strap, but this one is thicker. And it has a leather, like leather in the chain. Look at that detail. I didn't know that there's a leather detail on the chain, and it's heavy, like substantial and long. It can be used as a shoulder bag. That's nice. I like that detail on the chain. It has that Coach engraving there. There you go. You can see that coat. This is nice. I like it. Let's put on the chain strap. I was thinking you can use this for like a date night because of the chain strap. That's why I ordered this. I don't know. I have to think about it if I want to keep this bag because of that big scratch. So this is what the bag looks like with the chain strap. It's nice, right? If you wear it like a shoulder bag, it's a baguette. That's what they say. It's a baguette. I like that. I like this chain strap. It's cute. Now, let's see what can fit inside. I'll go grab some wallets. Few items in here to try on. I have my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it fits in there without a problem, and you have more room. Now, let's try on a full-size wallet. I have 2 full-size wallets here with me. Let's try this Tory Burch. This is a bigger zip wallet, and let's see if it fits. It doesn't. Let's see the other way. It's a struggle, so it doesn't fit. Then I have here a Louis Vuitton Sarah wallet. It does fit in there. Yeah, you can put a full-size wallet, but then it takes room for your other stuff. But if we put the phone in there, let's see. So that's how it looks like. You still have room. Yeah. Now let's try a slim wallet. You just have to have an angle to remove a full-size wallet. I have here a Michael Kors slim wallet. Let's put it. Okay, no problem like putting it in. You don't need to like make an angle to insert it. The opening of the bag is enough or big enough for that slim wallet. Now let's try to put a mini pochette. I have here a mini pochette. If it can fit in there. It's a tight squeeze. Probably I will not be able to close it. So right now it has my phone, slim wallet, and mini pochette. And if I close it, we'll see if it can. Oh, it does. I was able to close it. And this is how it looks like. Not too full. Just like that. If my mini pochette is so full, I will not be able to fit in there. But if I take my phone out, then it will give me more room for my other essentials. You know, like you don't usually put your phone nowadays in your bag. You just hold it or put it in your pocket. So yes, so that's what can fit inside this bag. And now let's do a quick try on. So now let's try on first with the chain strap. I hide the long shoulder strap inside the bag. This is how it looks like. The crook of your arm. And I see. top handle. I like the chain strap over your shoulder. Now with the low shoulder strap, this is how it looks like over my shoulder. And as a crossbody. Oh, it's cute. I like the size. And I can adjust the length. So that's it for our unboxing for today. The Coach Swinger in the color wine with the chain strap. I hope you like our video for today. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye!